Hello everyone and welcome back to a second lecture on network security and cryptography. In our previous lecture we did how cryptography actually works and what are basics of cryptography, and in this lecture we will be studying about substitution techniques. That is the Caesar cipher. In Caesar cipher we replace alphabet in a plain text with an alphabet that is 3 places down in the cipher text. So let's see an example and things will be more clear. So this is the text which I want to encode, and this is known as our plain text. So let's see how encryption works. So let's look up for n. Where is n? I have created a chart for simplicity, but you need not create a chart in every question that you solve. You can do it orally once you practice it once or twice. So where is n? So I have to go 3 places down. O, P, Q. So n should be replaced with Q. So I have done for each and every character, but let's see for this special case of the last character, that is Y. Looking up Y in the table, Y is here. So moving 3 places down is Z, and we have not only one character down that, we need 3. So for that we move towards the upper side of the table and select B as the third character. So this is how we do, and this is the cipher text resulting that will be transmitted over the MIDI. So there is another cipher known as modified Caesar cipher, which is more secure than Caesar cipher, as it is a bit predictable that every digit is 3 places down. So to reduce that predictability factor, we devised a method known as modified Caesar method, in which instead of following 3 places down criteria, we go for k places down criteria. We saw that every alphabet was replaced with an alphabet 3 places down, but it was so predictable. Our job is to increase the complexity of the hacker or the masquerader or anybody that is trying to break our code to increase our security. So instead of 3 places down, we did in modified Caesar cipher a k places down criteria that is hard to crack. So it is similar to the Caesar cipher, but only difference is the alphabet is replaced k places down. So let's see another cipher, that is monoalphabetic cipher. So the need for more and more complex methods of cryptography increased with time. So this monoalphabetic cipher is even more complex than modified Caesar cipher to decrypt. Monoalphabetic cipher, if we are given with a plain text ABC, we can replace A 3 places down and B 4 places down and C 8 places down. There is no such relation between these replacement of the consequent alphabets in the plain text. So it becomes more and more difficult because the permutations and the combinations to crack increases drastically. So it is more safer than modified Caesar cipher and Caesar cipher. The homophonic substitution cipher is very similar to monoalphabetic cipher. To substitute A, we can substitute it with B, C, E, D. So it is not compulsory that if in our plain text A has arrived 3 times, so we can replace this A with B, C or E. So there is no restriction that we have to replace A with the similar alphabet in the cipher text. So the formal definition goes like this: homophonic substitution cipher also involves substitution of one plain text character with a cipher text character at a time. However, the cipher text character can be any one of the chosen set. So we have to divide sets like A can be replaced by D, H, P, R, B. So there is no restriction that we have to replace A with D only everywhere in the ciphertext. Now moving on to our next technique, that is polygram substitution cipher. In this cipher, rather than replacing one plaintext alphabet with a one ciphertext alphabet at a time, a block of alphabet is replaced. Like we have a word hello in the plain text. We replace this hello with a block of letters, that is B, C, G, G, O. So in this, rather than replacing alphabet by alphabet, we chose block of words, block of alphabets instead. To be precise, block of alphabets to be replaced. So this is all for our substitution techniques. More substitution techniques will be continued in our next lecture. If this video was in any way helpful to you, do like, give a thumbs up, and comment down below what more would you like to see. Thank you, and bye bye.